Welcome back to Turbo Car Choice, the place where we explore the toughest, fastest, and most exciting machines on the road. If you love powerful trucks that look ready to conquer the world, today's video is going to blow your mind. Meet the 2026 white Caterpillar pickup truck, a vehicle that feels more like heavy machinery than a regular pickup. From the first glance, this truck screams strength. The clean white exterior gives it a bold industrial look, while the massive grille, reinforced bumper, and muscular body lines clearly show Caterpillar's construction DNA. This is not a truck made to impress only on city roads, it's built to dominate work sites, deserts, mountains, and everything in between. Under the hood, the 2026 Caterpillar pickup is expected to pack a powerful turbo diesel engine designed for extreme torque and long-term durability. This means insane pulling power, smooth performance under heavy loads, and reliability that Caterpillar is famous for. Whether you are towing heavy equipment, hauling materials, or heading off-road, this truck is engineered to handle pressure without breaking a sweat. The suspension system is another highlight. Built for rough terrain, it absorbs bumps, rocks, and uneven surfaces with confidence. High ground clearance and aggressive all-terrain tires make this pickup feel unstoppable. Even in deep mud or sand, the Caterpillar pickup stays planted and in control, making it perfect for adventure lovers and hardcore workers alike. Step inside, and the cabin surprisingly balances toughness with comfort. You get a modern digital dashboard, heavy-duty materials, and smart storage solutions designed for real work. Advanced technology like off-road drive modes, towing assistance, and safety features help make driving this beast easier and safer, even for long hours on the road. What really sets the 2026 Caterpillar pickup apart is its attitude. This is not just a lifestyle truck, it's a statement of power, reliability, and purpose. The white color adds a clean and professional look, making it stand out while still looking rugged and aggressive. If you're looking for a pickup that feels indestructible and built to last, the 2026 white Caterpillar pickup truck could be the ultimate game changer. Let us know what you think about this beast, and don't forget to subscribe to Turbo Car Choice for more extreme machines like this one.